Priced officially at Rs 2,999, the OnePlus Nord Buds is the company's most affordable true wireless headset right now. As with Nord branded smartphones, this too is an affordable and more basic true wireless headset compared to the better equipped OnePlus Buds Z2 and OnePlus Buds Pro. There are no fancy features such as active noise cancellation, but this pair of true wireless earphone promises good sound and long battery life. Let's find out what's inside the box. Unique looking and with the mirror-like touch sensitive areas on each earpiece grabbing the most attention. The earphones have an in-canal fit customizable replaceable silicone ear tips in different sizes. 3 pairs of ear tips of different sizes are included in the box, along with the short USB Type A to Type C cable. The earpieces are IP55 rated for dust and water resistance. The charging case has a large OnePlus logo on the top, while the USB Type C port for charging and the pairing button are at the back. There is a single LED indicator on the front. The touch controls on the OnePlus Nord Buds are fairly convenient and easy to use. These are customizable through the Hey Melody app, and it's possible to control playback, invoke, and default voice assistant on your smartphone. Battery life of the OnePlus Nord Buds is very good for the price, with the earpieces running for around 5 hours on a single charge and the case providing a little over 3 additional charges for a total runtime of 20 to 21 hours per charge cycle. Fast charging means you should get 5 hours of listening with 10 minutes of charging, and it took around 25 minutes to full charge the case and earpieces. OnePlus has managed to establish its Nord sub-brand with affordable value for money smartphones, and the Nord branded audio products sticks to the philosophy. The OnePlus Nord Buds headset offers a reasonable amount of performance for under Rs 3,000, including a good design, decent sound quality, and useful features such as fast charging and quick switch. So inside the box we have found another box, a small box that contains the red cable card, placeable silicone ear tips in different sizes, one smiley sticker, the earphone case itself containing earpieces, and some documents. That's all, and thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.